Hello everybody, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can record a sale receipt inside the QBO. Let's say on the first day of your business, 5 customers came into your shop. Each of them buys $20 of good, and you made a revenue of $100. So how to record this sale inside the QBO? So we're gonna discuss in this video. So all you need is to just go to this plus button. We can do this by several ways, but the most easy and effective way is the sales receipt. Once we click on that, let's say this is the first customer, and here we can add his email, and we can adjust billing address and sales receipt date. And if we have tag about this customer, we can also type here, and here we can adjust payment method. Let's say he make his payment by cash, and here we can add a reference number if we want, and select our account from which this amount gonna be deposited by someone. Let's say the account is inventory asset, and here we can change our receipt number. From the drop down, here you can select your product or services that you have sold to that customers. Let's say we sold the copper pipe and the quantity of 5, and the rate is for one piece the rate is 1 and 10, and QuickBooks will automatically calculate this amount for us. And if you have more than one product or services that you want to add here, you just to increase your lines, you just click on add lines, and if you want to clear all lines, you just click on that. And if you have any message that you want to display on the sales receipt, you can also type here, as well as on the statement. And if you have any special document that you want to link or attachment that you want to attach to this sales receipt, you can also do that. And once everything is done, here you can see that this is the our total amount is 550. And once everything is done, just click on save and close. Go to the accounting and click on chart account, and once you click on chart account, here you just click on account inventory asset, and here you can see that we have a deposit, we have an increase in $550 in the inventory asset. And let's go back and see the credit entry of that journal entry. And if you go down sales of product income, and click on run report, and here you can see that this is our transaction of sales receipt, and we have the credit entry of 500. So that's how you can record a sales of your customers inside the QBO. So I hope you have enjoyed this video a lot. I will see you in the next video. For now, bye bye.